Hello, welcome to my channel. Error code E1: communications error between indoor and outdoor units. This error often occurs as a secondary effect if the outdoor fan fails to start. The outdoor unit's compressor and electronics can quickly overheat. This abnormality state on disrupt the state. Well, communication signals between the indoor and outdoor units, causing the control system to also link on E1 error. Conclusion: the primary fault is the most likely related to the outdoor fan system, causing the P4 error. The E1 error is the probable. The internal PCB you are inspecting is the most probable culprit, specifically the section responsible for driving the outdoor fan motor. Error code P4: failure to start outdoor fan motor. This is the primary and likely root cause. The error indicates that the control board is sending a signal to start the outdoor fan motor, but is not receiving the expected feedback. This could be caused by a faulty outdoor fan motor itself, a damaged capacitor for the fan motor, a break in the wiring between the PCB and the motor. Driver circuit on the main PCB that control the fan motor has failed. This is a very strong possible analysis. This is the 3 wires inverter fan motor controlled by IPM. I will diagnosis the P4 error. Control system on the main PCB failed the IPM module. The IPM is responsible for the generated the 3-phase power that drive the motor. A failure on this of its phase would prevent the motor flow from starting. This is a very high probability. Failure per drive circuit. The circuit sending the low voltage control signal to the IPM could be damaged. DC bus voltage issues. The IPM requires the stable high